Good afternoon, tutor and classmates. This is my presentation video of point 358. Mi name is Juan Camilo Forero Camargo. My ID is 10245389885. Group 47. Share me ID for verification. At point 3, vocabulary related to free time, physical activities, using sentence in ing for is used example. I am good riding a bike. I am drinking a soda. She is dancing with her boyfriend. We are looking the summiting. I am surfing in the beach. I am doing my homework. I am working right now. I don't like to clean my bike. I don't using a hat. He is reading a book. We are not looking the summiting. I don't like walking in mountain. I don't like studying in the afternoon. I'm not working here. At point 5 of the exercise, I chose my sister to compare my exercise with hers. My routine. I wake him up at 4 in the morning. At 6:30 in the morning breakfast. At 12:30 I got out for lunch. At 16 I go to the gym. At night I go to sleep. My best friend routine. My sister get up at 5 in the morning. At 7:30 she has breakfast. She goes to work at 8 in the morning. She has lunch at her work. She leaves at 10 at night for work. She at 21 she goes to sleep. At point 8 we are going to describe what else imagine on the slide means. A man runs, a boy rides a bicycle, a boy jumps rooms, two people are in cinema, a woman reads a book, group of people are doing activities that improve their health. Thanks, this is my video.